Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to my crib. Hey guys, so we are at the horse riding ranch and we're about to horse ride. I'm so excited. I haven't done this in ages, so it should be fun. I'll keep you guys posted.
For any equipment, this we put on the saddle.
Oh,
so
okay,
it's very
yeah,
comfortable.
that would be
You can
great.
put whatever you like. Okay,
Yeah,
I will
sure.
give both of you and you will see. If
Thank
you.
you.
Need one. Please guys, come over here. Lady. I'm just staying here, eating and sleeping.
Ooh.
We just finished horse riding. It was so much fun, but my butt is hurting from being on that horse for 2 hours. But it was so much fun just seeing Santorini from a different perspective, and we actually got to see the black sand beach, which was amazing. I feel like I say everything is amazing, but honestly that is the best word to describe it. And we also got to ride through the volcano, and it was just really cool, really cool experience. It almost felt like the Grand Canyon in a lot of places, which was, you know, it reminded me of the Grand Canyon. And we also rode through like vineyards, and we saw like where they make wine and grapes. So yeah, it was just a nice chill experience. And now we're about to head back to the hotel and probably get dressed and go get something to eat because I am starving. I barely eaten all day, so yeah, that's what we got going on today. It's just gonna be a relaxed, it's been such a chill day today, honestly. Like, we're not like trying to do too much or go too fast, which feels good, because I'm also used to like really fast-paced holidays, and this holiday has just been very easygoing, which I love so much. But yeah, I'll check back with you guys in a bit.
Way.
That's so nice. Guys, I'm here with Hope
Hello,
from Sophia
guys.
Luxury Suites.
I'm the guest relations agent of the hotel, and I have here with me those wonderful people. I hope to see you again next year. Don't forget about us.
Yes, guys, look at what she did for us. I'm just like blown away. Like, she put this together as a surprise, and I love surprises. So thank you so much.
I hope you enjoyed it, guys.
Thank you.
Whatever you need, I'm here for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
Bye-bye.
Always come here. The place on the left hand side, it's called Gyro. Perfect choice for the, you know, like a quick meals or kebab or very nice, like a fast food.
Oh. So guys, we just checked into the most incredible villa in the city center of Ia, and I am obsessed. And we have a cave pool in our room. I'm just blown away. The service has been so amazing. The people have just been incredible, and I'm just ready to relax by the pool because this villa is hot. Let me show you. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to my crib. You know, my bougie luxury villa here in Ia. Welcome, welcome. Have a seat, have a seat. So I know what you're thinking. This room is pretty dark, but let me show you what we're working with over here, okay? So my favorite part about this villa, let me show y'all what we're working with over here. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to my pool. So guys, like I said, the best part about this villa has to be the indoor-outdoor cave pool. I'm having the time of my life, as you can tell, and I'm never going back home. I'm probably gonna be living here. Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to my crib. So we just woke up to the most amazing breakfast. Guys, look at this. And what's even more amazing is this view. What's up, you guys? It's another day in sunny Santorini. It is hot today, okay? It has been so hot, but I've been having the best time. We've actually been up for a couple hours. I was up since 8 a.m., my bad. I've been up since 8, and I actually met up with a photographer, and we've been doing photo shoots and just exploring Santorini with photographers. They're always the best people to show you all like the hidden gems and the cool places to get great photos. And we actually met this really cool photographer. His name is Nicola. He's from Paris and he moved here to Santorini. So yeah, it was nice to just actually hang out with some locals, take some pictures, see some really cool parts of the island. And now we're gonna be packing up from our villa, and we're actually going to be heading to Crete for a week. So the vacation is not over yet, honey. The vacation just started. But yeah, so yeah, we're just gonna be heading to Crete.